Madam Chair, of course, every life is sacred, so nakikiramay kami dun sa mga namatayan.
Yes,
Sir, Director, we have a copy of the report. So,
Report.
ito pong memorandum for Attorney Gilbert Boycer from Team Rab Out, CHR NCR case 2016-0426, July 19, 2016, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Dito, in-interview nung Team Rab Out yung pamilya ng biktima.
Yes, sir.
In-interview ba nila yung mga polis?
Yeah, with all due, sir, the members
Sir,
of this
is the
team,
answer
they are here, sir, to answer that.
Yes, but answerable
Yes
ba yes
or
or
no?
no? Ikaw yung director eh. So,
Para mabilis lang po tayo.
Yes, actually, they submitted a counter affidavit.
no,
The three.
No, sir. Did they interview the police or not?
Yes, they did, sir.
Okay. Bakit wala sa report?
The interview, I think,
Hindi, ang nakalagay sa report, pagdating sa mga biktima, first person, in-interview nila. Pagdating sa police, based on spot report. Kaya yung conclusions, hindi namin ma-take kasi hindi namin ma-assess because wala rin silang assessment.
the report, I was told, sir, that they went, but these police were not around.
O is kakasabi nyo lang eh, in-interview nyo eh. Ngayon, sasabihin.
No. Sinapi na po namin, sir, ang...
So, hindi nyo in-interview?
They were not interviewed because they were not around.
Yes,
However,
sir.
they were...
I'm not accusing you of anything.
Yeah, no.
Ang tanong ko lang, sir, in-interview nyo ba? Sabi nyo, oo. Nung sinabi ko, bakit wala dito? Because they weren't around. Kaya para mamaya, matanong ko naman sa PNP na kapag kayo sinupina, bakit hindi pumupunta? But, you know, parang one-sided to kung ganon. So, ba't nyo hindi nilagay dito, sir,
Yes,
na
sir.
they were subpoenaed but they did not come?
No, they come, sir. Actually, that report, they were not interviewed when that report was submitted. But after that report, this police came to the office and submitted a counter affidavit.
So
That is
don't
why
you
it was
think,
not-
sir, it is relevant for this committee who is investigating now to
Yes,
be
sir.
given that before we ask our questions?
We will do that, sir.
Wag nyo naman kaming pag-imbestigahin dito, tapos outdated na yung hawak namin.